If you're concerned about the air quality in your home and want to eliminate germs and odors, you're in the right place. Here are the 5 best UV furnace lights I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Mammoth BioShield UV 18W UV Light Air Purifier Bulb, priced at $57.97. What caught my attention was its magnetic installation, which makes it super easy to set up in your HVAC system. If you want a straightforward solution for cleaner air, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product solves your problem. This UV light is designed for HVAC systems and works to kill bacteria and viruses circulating through your home. It emits UVC light at 253 nanometers, which is the wavelength that effectively neutralizes germs. Imagine not having to worry about sick days caused by poor air quality. That's what this light can help you achieve. Plus, it's energy efficient and operates silently, ensuring it won't disrupt your daily life. With over 300 units sold in the past month, it's gaining traction for a reason. Now, some people complained about the need for direct wiring to the HVAC ballast. Here's the thing though, if you're not comfortable with that, it might be a hassle, but if you're up for a little DIY, the benefits definitely outweigh the installation effort. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and effective way to improve your air quality without a ton of maintenance. Skip this one if you're looking for a plug-and-play option without any wiring required. For the price, it's a solid investment in your health. Now, if the installation concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its corded design. Product number 2. The Ricoh Lighting R2000, available for $53.96. I was impressed by its compact design and European-made bulbs. If you're looking for a powerful UV solution for your HVAC ducts, pay attention here. This UVC light system is designed to be installed directly in your HVAC duct, which means it actively treats the air as it circulates. It operates at 253.7 nanometers, effectively targeting harmful microorganisms in your home. This is essential if you're dealing with dust, allergens, or lingering odors. With over 200 units sold recently, it's clearly meeting a need for many homeowners. Its 9-foot power cord allows for flexible placement, making it easy to set up. However, some users noted that the touch control could be a bit finicky. I'll be real with you. If you're not into tech gadgets, this might feel a bit frustrating. But honestly, once you get it set up, the results are worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward installation with the ability to control the light easily. Skip this if you prefer a more traditional hardwired option. For the price, it's a great deal considering the powerful UVC output it offers. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for ease of use. Product number 3, BioShield UV 18W Magnetic. The BioShield UV 18W Hvac UV Light Air Purifier, also priced at $57.97. This caught my eye because of its magnetic installation and no drill requirement. If you want something easy to install, this is definitely worth a look. This product uses the same effective UVC technology, emitting light at 253 nanometers to help purify the air in your home. It's designed to connect to a wall outlet, which makes it incredibly convenient if direct wiring isn't your thing. With over 100 sold in the last month, it's definitely a popular choice. The built-in bulb indicator lets you know when it's time for a replacement, which is super handy. Some users have mentioned that the magnetic strength could be improved, meaning it might not hold as firmly on certain duct materials. Here's the thing though, as long as you position it well, it shouldn't be an issue at all. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-install UV light that doesn't require drilling into your ductwork. Skip this one if you're looking for a more heavy-duty hardwired solution. For the price, it's a fantastic way to maintain clean air. Now, if the magnetic installation seemed appealing, you'll love the next product, which offers a more powerful UV solution. Product number 4, the R600-24V Hvac Air Purifier UV Light, priced at $69.99. This one stood out due to its extended lamp life and magnetic bracket for easy installation. If you're serious about indoor air quality, this is one to consider. This UVC light system operates at 253.7 nm, designed specifically for air conditioning coils to reduce mold and bacteria growth. The 16,000-hour lamp life means you won't be changing bulbs often, which is a huge plus. It's powerful enough for areas up to 3,000 square feet, making it ideal for larger homes. Plus, its energy-saving design means you won't see a huge bump in your energy bills. Honestly, if you're committed to keeping your air clean, it's a small price to pay for peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you want a long-lasting and powerful UV solution for your entire home. Skip this if you have a smaller HVAC system that doesn't require such a robust product. For the price, it's definitely an investment in your health and comfort. Alright, that was a powerful option, but the last product on my list might just surprise you with its efficiency. Product number 5. Hvac 26W HVAC UV Light Sanitizer. The Hvac 26W HVAC UV Light Sanitizer, available for $56.09. Its dual UV capabilities caught my attention because it's designed to tackle odors and improve air quality. If you want a comprehensive solution, keep listening. This UV light emits at 253.7 nanometers and is compatible with various HVAC systems, making it effective for promoting cleaner indoor air. It's designed to prevent the spread of allergens and pollutants, which is crucial if you or your family members suffer from allergies. Plus, it comes with 2 replacement bulbs, which is a nice touch. With over 50 units sold recently, it's quickly becoming a go-to option. However, some users mentioned that the installation instructions were a bit unclear. I'll be honest, if you're not handy, this might be a bit frustrating, but once installed, the benefits far outweigh the initial challenges. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a UV light that's effective against both odors and airborne pollutants. Skip this if you need something that's incredibly straightforward to set up. For the price, it's a solid deal considering the features you get. So there you have it, 5 fantastic options for UV furnace lights to help you breathe cleaner air at home. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the R600 24V germicidal light because of its powerful performance and long lamp life. As for the one to avoid, I'd say steer clear of the BioShield UV 18W magnetic if you're not comfortable with magnetic mounts. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.